So, you want to learn about technical analysis? Maybe know how it works and just what are the use cases? Okay, well, let's do it. So, TA, otherwise known as technical analysis, has been in practice for centuries. TA is not new, but in the 21st century, we have a lot more access to a lot more advanced data, and it is a lot more easily accessible to use technical analysis in the 21st century. Technical analysis is the analysis methodology for forecasting past market data to predict future moves. TA is a systematic way of analyzing financial markets to make informed trading decisions. This helps traders predict good exit and entry points. Yes, TA definitely works, but you need to realize that past market data is not guaranteed results for future market data, basically. So even though, yes, technical analysis works, you need to realize that it's not a 100% foolproof method, but it's definitely it definitely will help and get you more informed on what's happening in the future. Always remember to have proper risk management, discipline, and cut your emotions out of your trading. Otherwise, you will crash and burn and you won't get very far. But if you can handle your emotions, take your emotions out of it, and use market data, technical analysis, to make informed trading decisions, I think that you'll be okay. Personally, a huge part is proper risk management, because obviously if you're losing more than you're making, then you're not going to get anywhere. So proper risk management, use stop losses. I can't say it enough, because honestly, in the beginning of my trading career, I didn't use stop losses, and I got messed up and slapped in the face silly every time. Even if I was in the right, even if I chose to trade in the right direction, volatility got me and I was burnt. And so, stop losses are very important. Risk management is very important. Don't ever forget that, guys. I'm telling you. Some things about TA, or quote unquote rules that TA goes by, are these things. Rule number 1. Stock prices reflect almost everything. TA emphasizes the importance of how the financial markets react to any news. Technical analysis, don't try to mess with the news at all. It just you just try to figure out how the news affects the price. Number 2, stock prices always move in the direction of a trend. Technical analysis believes that the price will move in the direction of a trend unless there is a sign of a reversal. So, I know you guys have heard this before, even if you're a beginner with TA, go with the flow. Go with the flow of the current. You will always do a lot better than trying to go against it. Rule number 3, repetition of trends. I know that you've heard the saying, history repeats itself. Well, same exact thing with technical analysis. History repeats itself. Trends repeat itself. There's a few basics, things that you need to know in technical analysis, and these are these things. Number 1, price. Number 2, chart patterns. Number 3, volume. Number 4, trends. Number 5, momentum. Number 6, support and resistance. And number 7, moving averages. Those are just a couple of things that I like to focus on, and just in general, the technical analysis basics of what you need to be learning is in those things, and other oscillators as well. Those 7 things help you observe market trends and patterns in the charts. A couple oscillators that you guys can use is number 1, the RSI, Relative Strength Index. Number 2 is Fibonacci retracements. Number 3 is Bollinger Bands. There's a bunch, like MACD, just what is it, money flow index, you know, and that just basically whether or not money's going in the markets or not, you know. So there's a bunch of oscillators that you guys can use, but whatever honestly clicks with you and works with you, you can use to use technical analysis. But yeah, guys, I wasn't trying to make this video super long, and I was just wanting to let you guys know the basics of technical analysis, because I know it's definitely a skill that you need if you are into trading. Obviously, you can use fundamentals analysis or you know, on-chain data, you know, on-chain metrics or whatever. But yeah, those three things: technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and on-chain data you can use to trade. But I just thought I'd go over technical analysis with you guys. If you guys want to know about fundamental analysis or on-chain metrics, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll put a video together for you guys so you guys can learn that. All right, guys, peace out. I'll see you in the next one.